Wireless charging is a key feature of the new iPhone. But are you still charging your expensive iPhone with messy cables? If you get one charging pad in your home and one in the office, you can drop the cables. Just pick up the phone and go. So cool! But if your iPhone is not charged enough, or if there's no socket, the only solution seems to be the old power banks with messy cables. Don't you think your new iPhone deserves a more exciting charging experience? Meet Quic, the slimmest wireless power bank designed for the new iPhone. In a word, a mobile wireless charging base. We designed Quic to be absolutely portable, sleek and elegant, and matches your phone perfectly. The astronautic high-density lipolymer battery provides a larger capacity with smaller size. The 8,000 mAh capacity can get your iPhone fully charged for 3 times. The most compatible Qi wireless charging standard allows you to charge both iPhone and any Qi devices. With the fastest Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 15-watt standard, it will save you 4 hours on recharging and only takes 45 minutes to fully charge the Samsung S8. Saves 1.5 hours compared to a 5-volt 1-amp charger. With the extra USB ports, Quic can charge 3 devices at the same time. Over a dozen international certificates and safety features ensure the reliability and endurance. The Quic wireless charging pad also provides the fastest 10-watt charging speed, which is 2 times higher than a 5-volt 1-amp charging pad.
Thank you.